In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and remove a hyperlink in Microsoft Word for Windows. Whether you're working on a document that needs to reference other files, websites, or places within the same document, hyperlinks can make your text much more interactive and connected. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about inserting a hyperlink. It's a simple process that can add a lot of functionality to your Word documents. Start by selecting the text or image you want to transform into a hyperlink. Highlighting this text or image is crucial because it will be the element that becomes clickable. Once you've made your selection, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of your Word interface. Click on the Insert tab. This tab contains different tools you can use to enhance your document. Among these tools, you'll find the option labeled Link. In some versions of Word, you might see Hyperlink instead. Go ahead and click on that. Now you've opened the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. Here you'll see different options for the type of link you want to create. Under the section labeled Link to, you have choices such as existing file or web page, email address, or perhaps a specific place in the document if you're linking within the same file. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Next, locate the address field. This is where you'll either enter the URL or the file path. Simply type in the destination you wish your link to direct to. While adding the hyperlink, you have a couple of optional steps at your disposal to make the link more user-friendly. If you'd like, you can change the text that's displayed for your link. This change is made in the Text to Display box. It allows you to edit what the user will actually see. Another great feature is the Screen Tip button. Clicking this allows you to enter text that will appear when a user hovers over the link. This can provide additional context or information about where the link goes. Once you're satisfied with these settings, click OK. You've successfully turned your selected text or image into a clickable hyperlink. And here's a quick tip. If you type a web address directly into your document, something like www.example.com, and then press Enter, Word often recognizes and automatically converts it into a hyperlink for you. It's a neat little trick to save some time. That's how you insert hyperlinks. In a future video, we'll cover how to remove these hyperlinks if you ever need to. Keeping your documents interconnected can make them more dynamic and useful, so give it a try the next time you're working in Word.